Hello students, my name is Professor Prashant and welcome to the first session of computer application. In this session, we will study what is computer, functions of computer and characteristics of computer. So let's start with this session. Being a modern day, you must have used, seen or read about computers. If you see in today's world, we use computers for all our tasks. Our day-to-day activities such as paying bills, buying groceries, using social media, seeking entertainment, working from home, communicating with a friend, etc. can be done using a computer. So it is important not only to know how to use a computer but also to understand the components of computer and what they do. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data through input devices, processes it and gives the meaningful information through output devices. Then what is data? So here data is a collection of facts and figures and statistics which can be processed to produce meaningful information. For example, if you take college, here data can be student's roll number, name, marks obtained in subject, percentage, etc. So what is information then? Information is processed data or meaningful result. It refers to facts and figures and statistics that have meaning. For example, in college data, finding the detail of a particular student or finding the students from list of students who have secured first class in exam is the example of information. Now we will see functions of computer. In that, first one is receiving input. Data is inserted into computer through various input devices like keyboard, mouse, digital pens, etc. Input can also be inserted through devices like pen drive, CD-ROM, scanner, etc. Second functionality is processing the data. Here, data provided through input devices is processed to get the required result. Processing may include calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also, comparison like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. Third functionality is storing the information. After processing the data, the information which we get can be stored in computer that can be used for future reference. Fourth one, producing output. The processed data and other details are communicated to outside world through output devices like computer screen, printer, etc. So basically, after receiving input from input devices, then processing that input, in processing part, we are displaying the output using output devices. Now we will see different characteristics of computer system. First one is speed. Computers have very high processing speed. Speed of computer is measured in terms of data processed per second. Computer can process millions of data per second. Second one, accuracy. Accuracy means correctness of processed data. Computer provides high level of accuracy. 100% of accuracy can be assured if no human errors while providing data. Third one is storage. Computers have huge storage capacity. Computer memory is measured in terms of bytes. Memory can be used for quick access and for permanent storage, which can be used in future. Fourth one, versatility. It is the ability to adapt many different functions. Computers are not restricted for many particular work. They are used in various fields such as medical, scientific, military, agriculture, education, entertainment, etc. Fifth characteristic is timeliness. That means it is accurate at right time. Information is not relevant unless received at the right time. Computers with capability of speed and accuracy are able to provide information just in time. Sixth one, reliability. That means computer performs consistently well. The reliability of results processed by a computer is very high. If a program is executed any number of times with the same set of data, every time the results would be same. Seventh one, diligence. Computers do not suffer from stress and do not get tiredness. Computers can be made to work for any number of hours at same level of accuracy and speed. If we send thousands of calculations to the computer, it will display result within seconds with accuracy. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will study advantages and disadvantages of computer.